Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you would like to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, in order to transfer it, you will be needing Binance address. For that, launch your Binance application, search for USDT. Once you search for USDT, you will see this Deposit USDT, tap it. And here select any network that you would like, and it will generate you an image. If you don't want the image, there is also an option of QR code. Once you select your network, simply copy the QR code that is shown after this page. And now you have to launch your Bybit application. Once you're logged into your Bybit account, you will see a page like this. Here you have to access the Assets button on your bottom right hand side. And under this page, tap Withdraw. And here, uncheck the Hide Zero Balances and search for USDT. Under Coin, make sure USDT is selected and simply paste the address that you have copied from your Binance. Once done, you may go ahead and choose your network and the amount that you would like to withdraw. And lastly, tap on Withdraw. And just like so guys, this is how you can do it as well. Thank you all for watching.